find your potential. You can define it as capacity, ability, efficiency, and talent, aptitude. These all words means find yourself, what you can do. If you really want to do something, then find your aptitude. For that, go to most peaceful place and remind yourself from childhood and try to get your interested field that you were dreaming about, and always telling to your parents, friends, relatives and someone else. Recall everything that really want to do and decide one of the best your destination of life. Transform yourself as expert in which way you want to go. If you surely want to get great achievement in your life, then be expert in your field, because there are many people struggling to reach their destination too, where you want to go. There are huge competition are going on, so prepare yourself different way which other people are not even thinking about that. Study more about your destination before going to enter with wrong information. Get all knowledge about your destination, because it helps you to go right direction. Otherwise, one mistake send you back, and it's caused to get failure and disappointed from your confidence. If you don't want to get failure, then do as I said, but listen your heart. Receive all information about obstacles which will come in the way of success. Prepare yourself to fight obstacles and know how to solve all problems which will be defeated you. Make yourself more stronger than others, because your desire is more important for you. You have to go long way, so keep patience, keep going. Create your skills list and brush up it. Small skills are most important for our life. So learn as much as you can and use it as like a burning flame, and it's give you huge success ever you could not imagine. Create your strength list. Everyone has something different strengths, and also some of have same strength, so that make your strength more stronger than others. Find your hidden strength which you never ever use, but God stimulates that speciality in your mind. Just need to encourage that and use your secret strength which is God gifted you. And all you should have to know that God made you a masterpiece, so don't prove Him wrong. Put all your weakness in one list and get information to improve it, and use for fight in life with coming problems. Weakness is only for temporary. We just have to learn how to use for great purpose. Utilize your weakness as a strength. You will realize that is a strength only. Know advantage and disadvantage of your destination. We have to be aware of that, need to know all benefit and don't be hopeless when it will come before you. If you will be know then you can surpass without any hesitation or without waiting for anything. Move forward constantly because life is like a river and brain is ocean. We have to always moving constantly and be careful because river is never stop in the way. It always emerges in ocean and get his destination. Be like a river, think like the ocean. So keep moving, path will be start visible. Don't give up. Everyone wants to success in their life, but most of people give up in middle of the way because of more obstacles and problems coming. Life is not so easy as we see. Life is a struggle. Without a struggle, there is no life. So don't give up. Problems are temporary. It will be go away, but we have to just keep moving. Your life will be definitely changed from today. Only if you start working on it. Everything will be changed by your struggle because everything is in your hand. Use your all time for your destination. Your time is coming. Your destination is waiting for you.